Three circles of radius S are drawn in the first quadrant of the xy plane. The first circle is tangent to both axes. The second is tangent to the first circle on the y-axis. And the third is tangent to the first circle on the y-axis. A circle of radius r greater than S is tangent to both axes and to the second and third circles. What is r over S? So let's see if we can make this diagram just a little bit bigger. So here's the diagram blown up. And let's start labeling things and let's see what we can get. First and foremost, I'm going to draw a line from the center of the big circle down to the tangent point. I'll do the same all the way to the other tangent point like that. And then let's see here, how do I want to set this up? A line from the center of this little guy to the center there. One line from there to here, perpendicular. And I think that should be it. I think so. So this is of course a right angle. So draw that in there. And then if I were to label this, from here to here is S, right? Because it's the same as here to here. It's just the radius of that small circle. And then let's see, from here to there, that entire way is the radius. So that means from here to here is the radius minus S. I hope that makes sense. And then from here to here, that's the radius of the circle, the large one. And then from the center of the small circle to that point is S, which is just the radius of the small circle. And finally, from here to here is R, correct? That's just the radius. And therefore, if you were to draw a line from there all the way to the bottom like that, that's also going to be R. But these three right there, if I were to draw a straight line like this, like that, that represents three S's, correct? S here, and S here. So this segment right here would be the R minus 3S. Okay, so that's the setup of the question. That basically creates a Pythagorean relationship in that triangle, this triangle right here. So what is that? It's R minus S squared plus R minus 3S squared is equal to this hypotenuse, which is R plus S. R plus S squared, like that. All right? Let's expand this. We got R squared minus 2RS plus S squared plus R squared minus 6RS plus 9S squared. And then on the right side, R squared plus 2RS plus S squared. Let's see, a few things will cancel. This R squared will cancel with that guy, S squared, that guy. And then I think that's it for canceling. Put everything on one side. R squared, minus 2, minus 6, minus 8, minus another 2, minus 10RS, plus 9S squared. And then, let's see, I hope this factors. R, 3 and 3, I don't think that will work. But how about 9 and 1? Minus, minus. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. So that means that R is equal to S or R is equal to 9S. Well, they tell us in the question, obviously, and it's pretty clear from the diagram, that R is not equal to S. So R must be equal to 9S. And if so, the ratio of R over S is just 9. And that's pretty much what they wanted in the question, R over S, right here. And therefore, the answer is D for number 16.